Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, busy professionals often find it challenging to prioritize fitness amidst their demanding schedules. Long hours at work, commuting, and family responsibilities can leave little time for traditional gym sessions. This struggle can lead to feelings of frustration and guilt, as maintaining a healthy lifestyle becomes increasingly difficult. However, incorporating effective home workouts into your routine can be a game-changer. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to exercise, you can boost your energy levels, enhance productivity, and improve overall well-being. In this video, we'll explore practical solutions tailored specifically for those with tight schedules. From quick high-intensity interval training, HIIT, sessions to efficient strength-building exercises, we'll provide you with the tools you need to stay fit without sacrificing your precious time. So, whether you're working from home or juggling multiple commitments, stick around as we dive into the world of home workouts designed for busy professionals like you. Understanding the busy professional's lifestyle. Busy professionals often navigate a daily routine packed with responsibilities, leaving little room for personal time. With long work hours, meetings, and deadlines, finding time to exercise can feel nearly impossible. Many professionals also face the challenge of commuting, which further cuts into their available hours. This relentless pace can lead to increased stress and fatigue, making it even harder to muster the motivation to hit the gym or engage in physical activity. As exhaustion sets in, the desire to prioritize fitness often takes a backseat, leading to a cycle of inactivity that can impact both physical and mental health. To combat these challenges, it's essential to seek efficient workout solutions that seamlessly integrate into a hectic lifestyle. Short, effective workouts that can be done at home or during breaks can provide the perfect balance, allowing busy professionals to stay active without overwhelming their schedules. In the following sections, we'll explore these efficient workout options tailored for your busy life. Benefits of home workouts. Exercising at home offers numerous advantages, especially for busy individuals looking to maintain their fitness. One of the most significant benefits is the convenience of eliminating commute time to the gym. Without the need to travel, you can easily fit a workout into your day, whether it's before work, during lunch breaks, or after hours. Additionally, home workouts are often more cost-effective than traditional gym memberships. You can save money on monthly fees, travel expenses, and even workout gear, as many effective exercises require little to no equipment. This financial flexibility allows you to invest in other aspects of your health and wellness. Another key advantage is the flexibility of scheduling workouts at any time that suits you. Whether you prefer early morning sessions or late night workouts, you have the freedom to choose when to exercise, making it easier to stay consistent. With these benefits, home workouts can be a practical and sustainable solution for busy individuals striving to stay fit. Essential equipment for home workouts. When it comes to home workouts, having the right equipment can make a significant difference in your fitness routine. For busy professionals, investing in versatile items like resistance bands, dumbbells, and yoga mats can enhance your workouts without taking up too much space. Resistance bands are excellent for strength training and can easily be adjusted to match your fitness level. Dumbbells offer a wide range of exercises, allowing you to target various muscle groups effectively. Meanwhile, a yoga mat provides a comfortable surface for stretching, yoga, or bodyweight exercises. The great news is that you don't need a fully equipped gym to achieve effective workouts. Minimal equipment can still deliver impressive results, helping you build strength, improve flexibility, and boost cardiovascular fitness. As you consider your options, focus on quality items that align with your fitness goals. Investing in the right equipment will not only enhance your workouts but also keep you motivated to stay active in the comfort of your home. Quick and effective workout routines. For busy professionals, finding time to exercise can be a challenge, but quick and effective workout routines can make all the difference. Consider incorporating 10 to 20-minute sessions that focus on strength, cardio, and flexibility. For strength training, try a circuit of bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges, which require no equipment and can be done anywhere. For a cardio boost, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, is an excellent option. You can alternate between 30 seconds of intense exercises like burpees or jumping jacks and 30 seconds of rest. This method maximizes efficiency, allowing you to burn calories and improve endurance in a short time. Don't forget to include flexibility routines, such as yoga or dynamic stretching, to enhance mobility and reduce stress. By mixing these elements into your home workouts, you can create a balanced fitness regimen that fits seamlessly into your busy lifestyle, helping you stay active and energized throughout the day. Staying motivated and accountable. Maintaining motivation for home workouts can be challenging for busy professionals, but there are effective strategies to keep you on track. First, consider setting specific fitness goals, whether it's completing a certain number of workouts each week or achieving a particular strength milestone. Tracking your progress can provide a sense of accomplishment and help you stay focused on your objectives. Another great way to boost motivation is by finding a workout buddy or joining online fitness communities. Sharing your journey with others can create a sense of accountability and support, making workouts more enjoyable and encouraging. You can exchange tips, celebrate achievements, and even participate in virtual challenges together. Additionally, creating a dedicated workout space at home can significantly enhance your motivation. Designate an area free from distractions, equipped with your essential workout gear. This space will serve as a reminder of your commitment to fitness, making it easier to transition into your workout routine, even on the busiest days. Nutrition tips for busy professionals. Nutrition plays a crucial role in supporting fitness goals, especially for busy professionals who often juggle multiple responsibilities. One effective strategy is meal prepping, which can save you valuable time during the week. By dedicating a few hours on the weekend to prepare healthy meals, you can ensure that you have nutritious options readily available, reducing the temptation to opt for unhealthy convenience foods. In addition to meal prepping, having quick and healthy snack options on hand can help fuel your workouts and keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Consider snacks like Greek yogurt, mixed nuts, or fresh fruit, which are easy to grab and provide essential nutrients. Hydration is another key aspect of nutrition that should not be overlooked. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day enhances overall well-being and supports optimal performance during workouts. Aim for balanced meals that include a mix of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates to keep you energized and focused, helping you achieve your fitness goals while managing a busy lifestyle. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the importance of home workouts for busy professionals and the numerous benefits they offer. By eliminating commute time, reducing costs, and providing flexible scheduling options, home workouts can seamlessly fit into even the busiest lifestyles. We discussed essential equipment, quick and effective workout routines, and strategies to stay motivated and accountable. Now it's time for you to take action. Implement the tips we shared, whether it's setting specific fitness goals, meal prepping for the week, or creating a dedicated workout space at home. Remember, every small step counts towards achieving your fitness goals. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more fitness content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends or colleagues who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can create a supportive community focused on health and wellness, making it easier for everyone to stay active and fit, no matter how busy life gets.